Where's your lifeline?
What?
Where's your lifeline?
They're both right here.
Is the lifeline below the lanyard? That's a good idea.
The top line's below my lanyard.
Okay, good. The green is below the orange.
Yeah.
All right, if you're good there, go for the back cut. I'm ready. Check your traffic.
What do you need, Josie? Dalton, what do you need? We can't look right now. Just stay over there.
Yep. Excellent, beautiful top. Somebody hollered timber, did you hear that?
Nuh-uh.
Hey, we heard the peanut gallery. Beautiful top, Alan. Stabilize all that stuff.
Yeah, everything's tied in up here.
Cool.
I guess they made the blue line back up.
Well, you can go ahead and set it, couldn't you?
We can go ahead and get this down. It won't take long now.
We got that redirect, don't we? All right, stand by.
All's free.
All right, I'm clear. Working on blue.
Okay?
Clear, good. You see that?
Yeah.